Hello and welcome back. Today we will see how do we use the trim and extend command in SolidWorks. So here we click on file and select the new file. Select part and click on OK. The new canvas is opened. Now we need to click on a sketch and then select the plane. Once you select the plane, make a sketch. I am creating a rectangle here. I am creating a line from the center point like this. Once you create the line, you need to trim this part. Select the trim entities option and then click on the line. This is how we trim. Now if you wish to extend this line up to this line, then we need to click on extend and click here. This way the line is extended up to this line. You must have a reference line, like this line was the reference line for this one, to get extended up to this. So this is how we use the trim and extend command. If you like my video, please like and please share my videos and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Take care.